In this video, we will explain the data being shown on the display screen as well as the keypad configuration. When power is provided to the control valve, the display screen will show the current flow rate in gallons per minute, the current date and time, the remaining gallons available until the system will need to perform a regeneration cycle, and its total capacity in gallons. The menu button located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen is the function button to allow you to enter the basic setup information required at the time of installation. The set button located in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen is the function button to accept the values, if changed, in the various programming levels. The arrow up and down buttons are used to increase or decrease the value of the settings while in the various programming levels. In this video, we will show how to unlock the display screen. Press and hold the menu button for 5 seconds to unlock the screen. In this video, we will show how to program the current date and time. Press the menu button followed by the set button to access the date and time. Use the arrow down or up buttons to change the day. Press the set button to advance to the month, the set button to advance to the year, the set button to advance to the hour, the set button to advance to the minutes, then the set button followed by the menu key twice to advance back to the display screen. In this video, we will show how to program the water hardness. Press the menu button followed by the arrow down button to highlight hardness. Then press the set button to access the menu screen. The factory setting is 25 grains of hardness. Using the arrow down or up buttons to change the setting of the hardness to what you tested on site. Then press the set button to confirm, followed by the menu button to back out, and then press the menu button one more time. In this video, we will show how to manually regenerate the unit. Press the menu button followed by the arrow down button to highlight manual regen. Then press the set button to access the two choices. If you wish the unit to regenerate tonight, press the arrow down button to highlight Regen Tonight. Then press the set button to confirm. Now press the menu button to back out. If you wish the unit to regenerate immediately, press the set button to highlight Regen Now, press the set button once again, and it'll activate into an immediate regeneration. With an upflow softener valve, the first cycle is brine draw. Once complete, it'll advance to the backwash cycle, followed by the rinse cycle, followed by the refill cycle. Finally, it'll return back to the service position. In this video, we will show how to manually regenerate a downflow water softener. Press the menu button followed by the arrow down button to highlight Manual Regen. Then press the set button to access the two choices. If you wish the unit to regenerate tonight, press the arrow down or up button to highlight Regen Tonight, followed by the set button to confirm, followed by the menu button twice to return back to the display screen. Please make note of the flashing icon. This means that you have queued a regeneration to go this evening. But if you wish to manually regenerate the unit immediately, press the menu button followed by the arrow down button to highlight Manual Regen. Then press the set button to access this screen again. Press the arrow up button to highlight Regen Now, followed by the set button to confirm and activate a full regeneration. With the downflow softener valve, the first cycle is backwash. Once complete, the control valve will advance to the brine draw cycle, followed by the rinse cycle, followed by the brine refill cycle, and finally will return back to the service position. The softener has now completed a full regeneration. In this video, we will show how to enter the dealer information into the control valve. Press the arrow down button to highlight dealer information, followed by the set button. You can turn this feature off by pressing the arrow down button. But for this case, press the arrow up button and then the set button to enter the dealer info screen. This is where you can now enter your company name and contact information if you desire. Using the arrow up or down buttons, you can select the letters or numbers of your choice. Hit the set button to lock it in. Once you have completed entering your information, press the menu button to back out, followed by the menu button, and then the menu button one last time. Then press the arrow down button and you'll see the data that you just entered. Press the arrow up button to revert back to the main diagnostic screen. In this video, we will show how to access the salt reminder feature. Press the menu button followed by the arrow down button several times until salt reminder is highlighted. Then press the set button to access this screen. This optional salt reminder feature will provide both a visual and audible alarm based on the salt consumption setting. Every time the system consumes the selected salt quantity, an audible alarm will sound for the selected period of time, as well as the backlight display screen will flash. To turn the salt reminder setting to on, press the arrow down button, followed by the set button to confirm, followed by the menu button to back out. Then press the arrow down button to highlight main menu. Then press the set button to access the main menu settings. Press the arrow down button several times until advanced menu is highlighted. Then press and hold the set button for approximately 3 seconds until you arrive at this screen. You'll then press the arrow down button several times until salt reminder set is highlighted. Then press the set button to access this screen. You'll notice that salt quantity is highlighted, so press the set button to access the amount of pounds being shown. The factory setting is 40 pounds. This means every time the system consumes this selected quantity, an audible alarm will sound for the selected period and the backlit display screen will flash. By using arrow down or up buttons, you can change the pound setting to your liking. Keep in mind that a typical standard bag of salt weighs 40 pounds. Once you have selected the amount of pounds, press the set button to confirm, followed by the menu button to back out. Now we need to set the time for the audible alarm to sound. Press the arrow down button to highlight alarm on time, followed by the set button to access this screen. Using the arrow down or up buttons, you can change the hours and minutes of the start time, as well as the hour and minutes of the shut-off time of the alarm. Then, once you've finished setting up the alarm time window, press the set button to confirm, followed by the menu button twice to back out. You have now successfully set up your salt reminder. Please note that the audible alarm reminder will repeat each day until silenced.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.